Welcome back to another episode. It's not that funny. Welcome back. How about we do? Oh wait, no, that's the wrong line. Nah, it's okay. You said Mrs. Steckman. Mrs. Steckman.
True. Super icy. Speaking of
What is that? Super icy. Speaking of colds, I love skating.
Oh yeah, our super cool student Elia figure skates.
Wow, let's see what she's been doing on the ice.
Dang it! And maybe while listening.
This was the toughest one yet. He was next to the stairwell by Mr. Lumsden. I said Mr. again.
Mr. One.
No, who will find him this time?
Me too.
Bye.